Hi friends! Today I will share this quick and easy salad dish inspired by 7-Eleven salad series. First, we need to boil some water, put some salt, and bring to boil. Then we're going to cook broccoli for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, wash the broccoli. For this salad, we will use octopus or tako, edamame, and broccoli. We need to cut the tako into bite size. Like this. And hi, welcome back to my channel. And hi, if you're new here, I'm Kitin. I share simple Japanese dishes and sometimes sweets. So if it's okay with you, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell for more new videos. Thank you. Now what we're going to do is we are just going to mix everything. This is the easiest part. Just mix everything. The tako, the broccoli, and the edamame. Now we need olive oil. Put some olive oil. Dash of salt and pepper. And lemon juice. That's all you need. And you have a very delicious and simple salad for today. Enjoy your food. Mata ne!